Apostle Lance Businge is my name. So what is the secret to true happiness in a marriage? You need to understand there is what we call true happiness and fake happiness. True happiness is the experience you get when you make another person happy or when you please another person. And fake happiness is what you are seeking to get from your spouse without you doing something good to them. You need to understand that a happy marriage is not where partners are seeking their own happiness. It is where each partner seeks to please the other. It is where both partners are working towards making each other happy, working towards pleasing each other. True happiness is not in the seeking, it is in the giving. When you seek your own happiness in marriage, happiness eludes you. But when you seek your spouse's happiness, then happiness finds you. So how does this thing work? Let's say that your spouse's love language is gifts. And every time they receive a gift, it makes them happy. So when you buy them a gift and you give it to them, and you see that smile on their face, you see them so pleased to receive this gift from you. That experience you get when you see them happy is what we call true happiness. You need to understand that whatever you sow is what you reap. Which means that when you sow happiness in your spouse, you will reap happiness in return. I know this thing is counterintuitive. It is contrary to common sense. So many of us are seeking happiness from our spouses and we are not getting it. Instead of us giving this happiness to our spouse, when you give your happiness to your spouse, you will be happy in return when you see them happy. That's how it works. So the secret to a happy marriage is when both partners are working towards pleasing each other, working towards making each other happy. So instead of you waiting for your spouse to make you happy, how about you go and make them happy today and receive that experience of happiness? And this video is not directed to just the husbands or the wives. It is for both of us. If we want to see our marriages happy, we need to step up and begin to make each other happy. Stay blessed.